So yeah, I went back and I got this fan. But I gotta still figure out why the power grinder, and I gotta configure something different. But no, as it is, I'm getting 30 volts. I'm getting 12 volts in from this battery. It's powering that, and that is being charged with that. So right now, it's bypassing the battery. It's actually powering that. When that kicks off, because there's no sun, that is going to show you a moon sign again. When that moon sign goes in, that will shut off, and this will just be powered by the battery. And then that battery will have, well, it says 12 amp hours. So depending on what I put in there, it'll drain from this at a certain rate and degree, right? So the ideal thing, I'm just showing you this as an experiment, right? I found this battery. I found two of them. If you hook two of them up, you can turn this 12 volt into 24 volts, right? And then 24 volt will do all kinds of other stuff. And then you can get like a few of them. This is not a car battery. That's actually, but car batteries are 12 volts also. This is like I don't know, some go-kart, or I don't know what it is. What was used for? I just found it. So, however, now you can see this is one-way solar. How easy it is. That's giving out right now 20 volts. If I plug that directly into the 12 volt, that will burn this out. That will burn this out, because this is only supposed to come in at 12 volts. So I need something that's 12 volts to go into that, to power that. If it's over 12 volts, 13 or like 16, 18 volts, or 20 volts, it'll burn that. Right now you're hearing a fan. There's a fan there. That fan is cooling that down, right? Because there's power going through, right? And that's just 100 watt. Like, I mean, it's $1 a watt, so that's $100. It's 100 watts. It's $100. That's like, again, that's like 20 bucks. Battery, I found this, right? You could generally, like, okay, so say if you had a car, you can hook those up to the car battery, and then you could run your car battery. You could run your car without the battery dying, like run the radio, the air conditioner, or whatever. You got to turn it on if you want the heat of it. But main point is the battery it doesn't die, and then when the sun comes up, it gets recharged again, and it goes around and around and around. So imagine if we had like 10 of these batteries all connected together, right? And let's say you only need so many of those, because with so much power coming in, you're only going to burn your stuff. So 200 watts, and then you can put them in series, which gives you more amperages or less amperages, and you can put them in parallel, which does the same, more watts, more volts. And you got to do the research. But it depends on what your needs is and are, what you're trying to do, right? This is basically a little short, little off-grid setup that I'm just doing, bro. All right, up. Peace.